Welcome back to Redline Revs. Today what I'll be showing you how to do is changing the air filter in a Honda CRV Mark III. The air filter is right here in these, that's model years 2006 to 2012. So the third generation Honda CRV is a very simple process to replace the air filter on these, which is a part of your regular maintenance. And I've got a replacement blueprint filter here, and there's the part number. I'll also put the part number in the video description. To remove the old air filter, you need to retract these 3 clips from the air filter housing, and then you can pull it up and push it back to remove the old air filter. There's the old air filter out. You can see it's been doing its job, and we're just going to replace that with the new clean air filter. It's going to be a very similar process for other Hondas of this same age and generation. Just check that your new air filter is indeed the right size with a visual check of what you're taking out, and then you just place it into the air filter housing there. Make sure that it's down snugly. Put the air filter housing over the top. I had these tabs at the back and I just wanted to make sure it all lines up, and push it down. It makes sense to go for the rear clip first because that one's a bit harder to get on. So once you get that rear clip on, just pushing down on the top housing, put that clip back on, then you can do the other 2 very easily. It's really that simple, so there's no need to pay a garage or the dealer to change your air filter as part of your servicing. That's the old air filter which we've removed. And I've got loads of videos on Honda CRVs and how to maintain them, including oil changes, parking sensor replacements, cabin filter, and so on. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe if you found this useful.